doctors reveal the worst toxin, harming your nerves and causing neuropathy. If you are over 60 and you've noticed a persistent pins and needles sensation in your feet, a burning numbness in your hands, or a sudden loss of balance that makes you feel like you're walking on cotton balls, you are currently being poisoned by a specific nerve-eating toxin that is hiding in plain sight in your modern environment. Most seniors are told that neuropathy is just an unavoidable complication of aging or blood sugar issues. But new 2026 neurological data reveals that a silent accumulation of advanced glycation end-products, AGEs, is physically melting the protective myelin sheath off your nerves. This isn't just discomfort. It is a progressive electrical failure of your nervous system that can lead to permanent muscle wasting and the loss of mobility that keeps you trapped in your own home. You need to identify this specific toxic process immediately because the window to re-insulate your nerves is closing fast, and once the wiring is fried, no amount of medication can restore the signal. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with neuropathy for life. The #1 toxin doctors are now identifying as the primary driver of senior neuropathy is glycotoxin, specifically the ones formed through dry heat processing. When you eat foods that have been browned, charred, or fried at high temperatures, you are ingesting molecular glue that attaches itself to your nerve fibers. In a 60-year-old body, your ability to clear these toxins has dropped by 60%. These glycotoxins cause oxidative cross-linking, effectively rusting your nerves from the inside out. This is why many seniors experience the worst burning pain at night. It's the sound of your nerves struggling to send signals through a toxic, clogged environment. The second major threat is heavy metal bioaccumulation, specifically neurotoxic lead and mercury, that has settled in your fat cells over decades. After age 65, as your body begins to undergo natural bone remodeling, the lead that was stored in your skeleton for 40 years is released back into your bloodstream. This lead surge attacks the mitochondria in your nerve cells, causing them to short-circuit. Surgeons and neurologists are seeing a 2026 spike in idiopathic neuropathy. That is actually just a chemical overload of the nervous system. If you don't provide your body with the specific chelating nutrients to grab these metals, your nerves will continue to misfire until the signal dies completely. However, many seniors find that even when they try to clean up their diet, their nerve pain persists because of thermogenic resistance. This is a common 2026 health crisis where your internal metabolic fire has gone out, making it impossible for your body to transport healing antioxidants to the peripheral nerves in your toes. A lot of my viewers are getting great results with a new breakthrough called Citrus Burn. It's a 100% plant-based formula that helps break through that metabolic wall. One thing that's helping thousands right now is how it uses Seville orange peel to boost that internal fire. If you want faster results without feeling deprived, this is what I recommend, because it helps activate fat burning even while you're sleeping, and it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. To protect your nerves, you must master the anti-glycation shield. This involves consuming high-dose benfotiamine, a fat-soluble form of vitamin B1. Unlike regular B1, benfotiamine can pass through the fatty casing of your nerves to block the formation of glycotoxins. For a senior over 60, this is like putting a fireproof vest on your nervous system. It prevents the sugar in your blood from caramelizing your nerve endings. When you combine this with an acidic marinating technique, using lemon or vinegar on your proteins before cooking, you reduce the toxin formation in your food by up to 90%, giving your nerves the breathing room they need to begin the repair process. If you're finding it hard to stay active because your heavy legs and nerve pain are hitting a wall, one thing that's helping thousands right now is Citrus Burn. It is specifically designed to reduce those intense sugar cravings by up to 54%, making it much easier to avoid the glycotoxin-heavy snacks that fuel neuropathy. Plus, they're offering 2 free bonuses right now: the Rapid Detox Protocol and Mind Over Metabolism Mastery. These are perfect for cleaning your system from the inside out so your anti-glycation shield can actually work. It's 100% plant-based and contains no stimulants, which is vital for senior heart health when you're trying to restore your circulation and nerve function. Furthermore, we must address the neurological hydraulic flush. Your nerves are surrounded by endoneurial fluid. When your circulation is sluggish, this fluid becomes stagnant and toxic, effectively marinating your nerves in their own waste. You must increase your vascular push by consuming alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. This universal antioxidant is unique because it can work in both the watery and fatty parts of your nerve cells. It flushes the toxins out of the nerve casing and restores the electrical potential of the cell. For a senior over 60, this is the secret to moving from numbness back to feeling. If you are struggling with a weight plateau that makes your joints ache and your nerve pain even more intense, one thing that's helping thousands right now is the biggest discount on the 6-bottle pack of Citrus Burn, which currently includes free shipping. This 2026 formula helps break through thermogenic resistance by activating your body's natural heat production. When you carry less visceral fat, the mechanical pressure on your sciatic and peripheral nerves is reduced, allowing for a clearer electrical signal. It's the perfect natural solution for those who want to commit to a 6-month nerve and metabolic reset and finally wake up without that burning sensation in their feet. The final habit that 99% of people miss is the vibrational nerve wake-up. Every morning you must spend 2 minutes using a soft bristle brush or a vibrating massage tool on the soles of your feet and the palms of your hands. If you miss this last tip, your proprioceptive map will continue to fade. Your brain only sends repair signals to the areas it can hear. When your nerves are numb, your brain forgets. Your feet are there. The vibrational wake-up sends a massive sensory jolt to your brain, forcing it to remap the area and prioritize nerve repair. This simple 2-minute habit replugs your nervous system into your brain, ensuring that the anti-glycation nutrients you're taking are actually called to the areas where the damage is worst. It is the secret to regaining your balance and feeling the floor beneath you once again. Your nerves are your connection to the world. You don't have to accept numbness or burning as your permanent reality. By clearing the metabolic sludge, blocking the glycotoxins, and using the vibrational wake-up, you are taking a stand for your autonomy. You have the power to stay sharp, stable, and pain-free well into your 90s. Start your benfotiamine shield tomorrow morning and feel the electrical fog begin to lift from your body. It's time to stop the silent poisoning and start re-insulating your life. Subscribe. Which advice will you start applying today?